Hey, I just wanted to do a quick review of this cold side and hot side uh, charge piping that I got off eBay. I just got it today. I I forget who I got it from, but I think it was about 150 $160 Canadian. Comes with all these silicone piping that are bended, and comes with these metal piping that go straight down on each side. All the clamps here, and this looks like another clamp inside here. It feels a little smaller. I don't know why. So I'm gonna install this on my Mini Cooper and see how it goes. It looks like decent quality. I mean, it's nothing hard to make. Anyone in the mini scene usually knows you can get all this stuff is silicone piping, like the whole thing with bends and everything, but obviously for the eBay guy that sold this for me, that sold this to me from China, he just did these parts here, metal, and then the bends, the 90-degree bends, he did these as silicone. So yeah, these looks a little dusty. I'll clean them up and install these on the Mini Cooper and see how it goes. But yeah, it's not too bad. It comes around to the same price as the I forget who sells these, but one side's for the noisemaker delete and the other side's for the for that muffler that's on the thing, that's on the charge piping. I think it's on the I don't remember if it's on the hot side or the cold side, but there's like a big thick muffler there to muffle, I think, the turbo sound. So yeah, I think if I just got those two plastic pieces and kept the factory piping, they would have been like $100 Canadian easy. So I just decided, you know what, I'll go with these with this eBay China branded hot and cold side charge piping and see how it goes. But yeah, I'll make another video of how it looks in the car.